Good morning. It is cold this morning, 54 degrees. So soon it's close to fall. Oh yeah, it's cold. I'm cold because of the wind. Makes me chill. 54 degrees for me, that is cold for me. I'm always cold, by the way. So this is the sun. On my way to work. Today is Wednesday? Yeah, today is Wednesday. So I'm glad I'm off tomorrow. I really need to clean up my closet, which is every time I do have a days off, I just wanna be lazy and not do anything, but I have to clean up my closet because my closet is over full. No room. There's no room. Too much stuff. So I need to clean, separate all the things that I don't want and the things that I want to keep. Something like that. So this coming weekend, I'm off. So wish me luck that I'm not lazy that weekend so that I can start cleaning up my closet. Oh my god, it is cold. Brr, the wind. It's cold. I get the goosebump. So we're almost halfway to work, and I'm always late. Sometimes 10 minutes late, or sometimes 15 minutes late. But it's okay. So here's the road that I'm always go to. We're gonna cross that way. And at the back of that K-Bank parking lot already of the store, and we're almost there. The other side, and this way. Okay, let's go. Yan, malapit na tayo. Kung nakita nyo, ayun lang sa unahan yung store. We're almost here. As you can see up front, you can see already the store and the parking lot. There's the sun again in the other side, and right here we have a 7-Eleven building right there. And yeah, grabe, malapit na naman malamig. Ang bilis ng summer. Patapos na yung summer. Punta na tayo sa fall season. Hala, malamig talaga yung hangin. Next time magdala na ako ng light sweater. Ang suot ko pa naman ay sobrang nipis. Ramdam ko yung lamig ng hangin. So ayan, malapit na tayo. Empty pa yung parking lot because it's early in the morning, 7 o'clock. Wait till like noon, the parking lot is gonna be really full in the afternoon. Malamig man yung hangin. Yan, pasok na tayo. Tingnan natin kung makakuha ka ng kanin. Hi.